Teaching is more than just delivering lessons, it's about creating impact. But managing online courses can feel overwhelming with scattered tools, limited student interaction, and no insight into progress. Introducing Tutoria, the all-in-one platform designed to simplify your teaching experience and help you reach more students with ease. With Tutoria, you can deliver live interactive response to students' questions instantly through our Ask a Doubt feature and provide comprehensive learning resources like concept videos, lecture notes, and practice questions. Prepare your students for success with adaptive mock exams tailored for standardized tests like SAT, GRE, MCAT, and more, complete with detailed scoring and feedback to help them improve. Monetize your courses with flexible subscription plans, whether you're offering a single class or a full program. Tutoria allows you to price your offerings your way. Stay informed with our powerful dashboards, track your students' progress, see who's excelling, and identify those who need extra help. Enhance engagement with live polls, quizzes, and recorded lectures that students can access anytime, ensuring no one falls behind. Transform your teaching with Tutoria, the platform that makes education simpler, smarter, and more impactful. Start today at learnwithtutoria.com.